Savings rate in America during this pandemic has skyrocketed. Before this, we were around 6, 7, 8% savings rate and an average. During this pandemic, we jumped up to 15. Now we're over 30% in April. May hasn't come out officially, but I expect it's going to be in the high single digits there, double digits, excuse me. And that's indicative of what's happening. We aren't able to spend money on things we want to be spending money on. And so we're naturally, by default, saving it. Most of us have an income, whether it's from our job we're still keeping, or from an unemployment, or from a stimulus check. We've got the cash flow. It might not be as consistent as we want, but we've got the income that we've had. What we don't have is the spending habits. We are restraining ourselves, for the most part, and that means we have extra cash. And when the economy and the market, the businesses open back up for business, we should be in a better spot because we're going to have some extra cash and we're going to be able to buy things that we otherwise may hesitate on because our emergency funds would be built up a little bit higher. Maybe if we were paycheck to paycheck, we're now one paycheck ahead. And now we're going to be able to spend things on things we want and certainly things we need. It's unclear exactly how much this will affect the long-term reality in the country, but I think the short term is good. This sacrifice we've had in the last couple months will pay off, and over the next, let's say, year, people should be spending a little bit more than they normally would because they've got a little bit extra saved up. Maybe people are going to be doing those home remodels. Maybe they'll have enough money for a down payment on a new house, especially with interest rates low. But the savings rate is great. I would love to say, yes, Americans are saving 20, 30% of their money forever. It's not realistic. People are not going to do that. I would love to see it where we get it to 10% instead of just the 7% we've been at recently. But for now, savings is high. Keep up the good work. Save those dollars and delay gratification. I'm Justin Struble with BSG Advisors. We're not brokers. We're fixers.